How to contact Gemini support. Gemini, a popular crypto exchange, offers several ways to connect with their support team. Here's a breakdown of your options. Gemini's Help Center. Head over to the Gemini website. Look for the Help Center or Support tab. This is your go-to resource for common questions and troubleshooting tips. If you can't find the answer you're looking for, you can submit a support ticket directly from the Help Center. Email support. Gemini provides an email address for support inquiries. Email address removed. Compose a clear and concise email explaining your issue in detail. Include any relevant screenshots or transaction IDs. Be patient, as it may take some time to receive a response. Phone support. If you prefer a more immediate solution, you can call Gemini's support line at +1 888 655 0293. Be prepared to provide information about your account and the issue you're facing. How to send BTC from Newton. Newton, another user-friendly crypto platform, makes sending Bitcoin a breeze. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Newton account. Access your Newton account through their website or mobile app. Navigate to the Send section. Look for the Send button or tab within your account dashboard. Enter recipient's Bitcoin address. Carefully input the Bitcoin address of the recipient you want to send BTC to. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any errors. Specify the amount of BTC. Input the exact amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your Newton account. Review and confirm. Before finalizing the transaction, review all the details, recipient's address, amount, and any associated fees. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. Wait for confirmation. After confirmation, your Bitcoin transaction will be processed and sent to the recipient's wallet. The time it takes for the transaction to be confirmed on the Bitcoin network can vary. Additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize security when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, whenever possible. Double-check addresses. Ensure the recipient's Bitcoin address is accurate to avoid irreversible losses. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency world. Utilize community resources. Join online forums and communities to connect with other crypto enthusiasts and seek advice. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively navigate Gemini and Newton, ensuring smooth transactions and seamless support when needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto-related content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.